Welcome to Vitamin Maths. So today we are going to see the revised syllabus for 10th SSLC Karnataka English medium students. So in which the first language is English, second language is Kannada, and third language is Hindi. Okay, so it is very important to know the revised syllabus for the exam because we have to know what we have to study or what we have to not study. Okay, so in this pandemic, so you should be very much up to the point, like what you have to study. For extra knowledge you can then afterwards you can study. So let us study with our let us begin with mathematics syllabus. Okay, first one is arithmetic progression. So in arithmetic progression there are no changes, so these are the changes recommended from syllabus committee, and these are the changes reduced or deleted in the textbook. Okay, so arithmetic progression, there are no changes in this topic. Arithmetic progression, there are no changes, so this you have to completely study. Okay, in triangle chapter, the allotted period was 15. Now it has been reduced. 4 hour periods have been reduced. Remaining periods are 11. So proofs of SSS, SAS criteria and converse of Pythagoras theorem is excluded. Here in this triangles chapter, according to my experience, these all SSS, SAS, converse of Pythagoras theorem are usually not very frequently asked theorems. Okay, these theorems are not frequently asked. The theorem which is asked frequently are the area of similarity triangles, Pythagoras theorem. So those will be asked. So this does not affect your study. Okay, and does not affect. Okay, so this also you have to study full. Triangles you have to study full. These theorems usually don't appear in exams frequently, so there is nothing much big change in triangles. Now coming to pair of linear equations, substitution method and cross multiplication method is excluded. Okay, so here almost one or two exercises will get changed. See here, you will get two exercises will be changed, means you need not study these two exercises. Substitution method and cross multiplication method are not to be studied. Only method which is important here is elimination method. Okay, elimination method, definitely you will get a question on elimination method, 100% sure shot. Okay, so let me rub this. Okay, next, circles. In circles topic there are no changes. Since the topic is very small, it consists of only almost hardly two exercises, and the first exercise consists of only fill in the blanks. There is no much change. You have to study it full. Area related to circles, the entire chapter is deleted. The entire chapter is deleted. Okay, so the entire chapter is deleted, so this you need not study. Construction, there are no changes in the construction. Okay, so no changes in construction, you have to study it full. Okay, you have to study full. Coordinate geometry, no changes. Okay, then real numbers, the entire chapter has been deleted. This entire chapter has been deleted. Polynomials also, entire chapter has been deleted. But my dear friends, actually the polynomials chapter is having an interlink between this linear pair of linear equations, and it will also come in the quadratic equations like factorization. Little bit it is interlinked. If you study the just, if you solve some few problems on polynomials just for practice purpose, then you will be having a good hold on a pair of linear equations and quadratic equations. Okay, let us begin now. 10th one, quadratic equations, the completing square method is excluded. Completing square method is excluded. See, this completing square method is most is not asked very frequently in Karnataka SLC, rather it is asked in CBSE. So this is not much affected. You have to study full quadratic equations. And next, trigonometry. So trigonometry and application of trigonometry, there are no changes because these study of basic foundation of trigonometry and application of trigonometry is essential for the higher studies. Okay, so they have not changed anything here. So in the maximum you will get a good number of questions from this area. Statistics. Now let us come to statistics. So in statistics, almost they have reduced half. Okay, almost, sorry, they have reduced 5. Okay, they have reduced 5 hours, so only 10 hours are remaining. Calculation of assumed mean and step deviation method is excluded. Only direct mean method is kept. Okay, so in statistics we find 3 topics. So we have to find mean, and second one is mode, and mean, mode, and median. So and median. Okay, so in this only one method you have to study, that is direct method. You have to study only direct mean method, and mode you can calculate if you know the mean and median. So in median you have to study one formula, so not much affected. But these 3 methods, assumed mean method, step deviation methods, are excluded, which is a good thing, because you will directly get the simple questions. You will get a simple questions. Now let me remove this. Okay, yeah. Next, probability. So in probability chapter, you will, entire chapter is deleted. See here, what what an easy, actually we are not lucky, or you can say it should have not been deleted, because very easy questions would have come here. Okay, we lost easy questions, it's okay. Next, the most important topic is surface area and volume, no changes. So there is no changes in surface area and volume. So you have to study the entire topic on surface area and volumes. This will take time, because 12 hours. 12 hours is a good number of hours. Okay. So this is the portion for the 2020-21 SSLC Karnataka English medium students. Okay. Now I will now let us see the science syllabus for this science. Okay, so let's begin with science. Okay, uh, so let me zoom it. Okay, now see, chemical equations, entire chapter, let me highlight it with the red, so that you may note it. Okay, it's clearly visible. So the entire chapter is skipped, okay, so no need to worry about that. And acids, bases, and salts. In acids, bases, and salts, these are, so here in acids, bases, and salts activities, they have given available periods, reduced number of periods, 5 number of periods they have reduced. Okay, whatever you have to study here is uh, the activity, following activities, these were studied in chapter 8, acids, base, and salts of class 7, and the concept of bleaching powder was studied in this one. Okay, so you have to study only these topics which have been mentioned here. You have to study only these topics, learnings to be skipped, and justification. So this entire topics you have to skip. Whatever mentioned here is learning points to be skipped, and justification means the reason for skipping that topic they have mentioned. Next one, metals, non-metals. Okay, these all concepts are studied. So this, actually only these parts you focus, only the parts 3.1. So these all parts, in these parts some subtopics will come. These are skipped ones. Okay, carbon and its compounds. So 15 hours was allotted, 5 hours has been reduced, and 10 hours is allowed. Next one, periodic classification of elements. So just see here, so 8 period, only 2 periods have been reduced, so not much, as the not much you have to study entire thing. So 9 hours, see, this is significant, this is significant, very important, because it is a very big chapter. Life processes is a very big chapter, only 9 hours has been reduced. So 9 hours has been reduced, so only you have 5 hours, only 5 hours. So you should not spend much time in studying life processes. Okay, this is very important note. Control and coordination, so entire chapter is there, control and coordination. Yes, we have to have control and coordination to study all these things. So the board people have not reduced the portion there. How to organisms reproduce, 3 hours has been reduced, 3 hours has been reduced. Okay, hereditary evolution, yeah, entire chapter is there. No deletion, no deletion. Okay, Light reflection and refraction, only 3 hours has been reduced. All these chapters to be completed by getting done activities as home assignment. Okay, not much of the activities has been reduced. You have to study this also. And light, the human eye and the colorful world. So only 4 hours has been reduced. So else everything is there here. Now coming to electricity, electric current and circuit, all see just only 4 hours has been reduced here. So some numerical problems on same concepts has been skipped. Okay, yeah. Then magnetic effect, only 3 hours has been reduced. Concept 13, see if, when you're going to the syllabus, when you, I suggest you that when you're going to the syllabus, you keep your textbook in front of you while watching this video, and just mark out the things which are not present by pausing the video, or I will give the link, I will give the link of the PDFs, okay, in my description box. Just you could download the question papers, sorry, syllabus, revised syllabus there, and mark it in your textbook, or take a Xerox copy of that, so that it will should be there with you whenever you study anything. Okay, whenever you study anything, that should be there, so that you will be you will get to know what to study and what not to study. Okay, yeah. Now next one, sources of energy, only 3 hours is reduced. Okay, then our environment, and the entire chapter is skipped. Our environment not to study. So our environment is not to be studied. Okay, so sustainable management of natural resources, this chapter is there. Okay, so out of total 180 hours, 60 hours has been reduced. So only 120 hours has been provided. Okay, so coming to next subject. Okay, to coming to social studies. So here what you will be able to see here is first chapter 1. So chapter 1, advent of Europeans to India. So what has been, let us see, number of periods reduced. Okay, number of periods is reduced. Now next one is once again reasons. Okay, alternate methods, units dropped, which are the topics that has been dropped in advent of Europeans to India. The Carnatic Wars, Battle of Plassey are to be dropped. Okay, yeah. Then map work, yeah. Then this the extension of the British Anglo-Maratha Wars consolidation. So what has to be dropped? Subsidiary alliance and the doctrine of Leipzig are dropped. Okay. Then the impact of British rule, land revenue in full, constitution development, everything is dropped. Hyder Ali. So these all the things have been dropped here, which I will share. I will share you the link of this PDF. You just go through the PDFs and mark it in your textbooks. Okay. So this is a political science division part. So here whatever is dropped here, so those questions have to be skipped while preparation. So lot of things are there to note down. So, okay, I will just share you the video, otherwise it will become a lot of confusions. Okay, so finally the summary is totally 1 to 20 hours were there for history, big subject. Okay, vast subject. 100 hours has been reduced and it is brought down to 120 hours. So you can just think the 100 hours reduction is very long time to reduction, means your question paper will be having a lot of questions from one chapter. Okay, you will get a lot of questions. Okay, next one, next subject. Now we shall see the reduction for first language English. A very important thing is first language English. I am discussing only first language English here. So those who are studying second language English and third language English, you can comment me, or you can contact me for the syllabus, or you can go through this website and get down the syllabus. Now what I'm going to do here is uh, portions minimized in the first language for English. So what all things are reduced, it has been covered here. So content points which are minimized. Okay, these are the points which are minimized. So bridge course activity is minimized. A wrong man in workers paradise. So dictionary work. So all these things have been revised here. So just you go to download this PDF from my link given below and just go through the things. Okay. Okay, now I'm discussing about Kannada, which is a second language Kannada. Those students who are studying a second language Kannada, they should note down this syllabus. ಕಡಿತಗೊಳಿಸಿದ ಅವಧಿಗಳು means the reduced syllabus. So these are the reduced syllabus. So these are the, you have to think here what, how many, you have to see the portion here. All these portions I will just provide. Just go through the description link. So lastly we will come to Hindi, which is a third language. Okay, this is a third language, Hindi. Please note down. Now all the list topics are the reduced number of periods. Okay, so these all things have been dropped. Actually, uh, what I'm feeling is they have only mentioned the reduced number of periods here, but they have not told actually what syllabus is reduced. Only the number of teaching hours is reduced, means by the number of reduction of the periods you have to put a significance. So this lesson, so for example this lesson is not there since there's a 0 here. Now what, see here, nothing is reduced here, full it is written. Kashmiri सेब, ओके पूरा रिटर्न हो गया है इधर. बाद में क्या हुआ है, सभी इधर इसमें देखो ए लेसन 2 lessons have been completely, 3 lessons reduced. Okay, sorry, not here, not this one. So 3 lessons have been completely erased. Okay, other all those things, one period has been reduced. So that one period, what difference it makes, we have to see. That will come, that will be discussed very soonly, because they have to, your schools will discuss what, like they will get a description on model question paper, how it will be. So based on that we shall discuss it. Okay, so I hope you have you understood whatever the revised portion is there. You please note the revised syllabus, because you should know what to study and what not to study. Okay, so this is the peak hours during corona, so it is better you stick on to the syllabus whatever they have given if you want to score good marks in 10th standard, because they will definitely conduct the exam. Okay, uh, so that's it for this video. Please, I will share the link of all the PDFs which I have shown in the video in my description. Please download it from that link. So these all PDFs are genuine, 100% genuine, which I have obtained from the Karnataka SSLC board website. So please share this video to your friends, so that they must be aware of what to study and what not to study. Okay, so please don't forget to subscribe my channel for the latest updates. Share this video, like and comment if you have any doubts regarding the syllabus, so which I shall reply to your doubts. And watch my videos. I am making videos on the tricks used in mathematics, or this like surface area volume. I have made videos on polynomials, surface area volume, quadratic equations. So just go through those videos, and just you can master the techniques very easily. I have explained it in the most simple way. Okay, if you have any doubts you can comment me. I will let you know it as soon as possible. Okay, so take care, bye, thank you.